Welcome back to Nolan Motorsports, and we're on a 2021 Yamaha GP1800R. We just started it up about 2 minutes ago, so we have to do the break-in period on this thing, which is you got to keep it under 2,000 RPM for the first 5 minutes, and then after that you have to keep it under 5,000 RPM for the next 90 minutes. So an hour and a half before you can really open it up and see what this thing does. And the purpose of that is just to get all the metallic parts to start wearing together and get polished and broken in. You really don't want to mess with the break-in period on these things. I mean, especially if you just dropped a pretty penny on it, right? You don't want to, rush into it. All right, so we're at the 1.6 hours, 1.6 engine hours and 1.6 trip hours. We've gone almost 29 miles, which is pretty incredible at 5.9 mpgs, miles per gallon, and we've used almost 5 gallons. So that's pretty. This thing definitely eats the fuel, but now we can go ahead and rip on it. So let's do that. Where'd you go? Whoops!